Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with us. It's a brand new day and a brand new topic. Hey, Steve, how are you today?
I'm feeling great, thanks, Maya. I just finished planning my week, so I'm full of ideas.
Perfect timing, because today we're talking about the future, right?
Exactly. Today's lesson is all about how to talk about future plans, goals, and dreams. We'll learn when to use will, going to, and other expressions that make your English sound natural. Let's start simple. We use will when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking.
Like when something is spontaneous.
Exactly. For example, I think I'll have a coffee. It's cold. I'll close the window.
So we use will for quick decisions and promises.
Yes, and also for predictions about the future. For example, it will rain tomorrow. You'll love this movie.
Got it. So I'll call you later. I'll study after dinner. Easy.
Now, we use going to when we already have a plan or intention.
Right. Like something you've decided before speaking.
Exactly. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. She's going to start a new job next month.
So going to feels more prepared and will is more spontaneous.
Perfect summary, Maya.
Okay, let me try. I'm going to learn Spanish next year. I'll call my friend tonight.
Excellent. One planned, one spontaneous. Now here's something interesting. We can also use the present continuous to talk about fixed future arrangements.
Wait, present continuous? Like I'm meeting someone?
Exactly. If the plan is fixed or scheduled, we use it naturally. For example, I'm meeting my boss tomorrow. We're flying to Paris next week.
So it's for confirmed plans, things that are really happening.
Right. It's common in business or travel.
Now, what if I want to talk about my long term dreams?
Then you can use phrases like, I want to, I would like to, my dream is to, I hope to.
Okay, let's try. I want to open my own cafe one day. My dream is to travel around the world.
Those are great examples. You can also say, I'm planning to, or I'm hoping to, for something realistic but not fixed yet.
So, I'm planning to buy a new car next year, or I'm hoping to move to another city.
Exactly. That's natural spoken English. Let's practice together. I'll ask a question. You answer about your plans. What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my sister and maybe go hiking.
Nice. What will you eat for dinner tonight?
Hmm, I think I'll order pizza.
Classic choice. And what are you doing next month?
I'm traveling to Italy. The tickets are already booked.
Perfect. That's a great mix of will, going to, and present continuous.
Hey, Steve, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to visit some friends who live near the beach. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll stay home and relax or go shopping with my cousin.
That sounds nice. Are you still planning that road trip you mentioned last week?
Yes, I'm going to take it next month. I can't wait.
Awesome. I'll join you if there's space.
Sure, but only if you bring the snacks.
Deal. Now let's talk about predictions, things you think will happen in the future.
Like, I think English will be even more important in 10 years.
Exactly. You can start with, I think. I'm sure. I don't think. It will probably.
I think people will travel more. I'm sure technology will change everything. I don't think robots will replace teachers.
Great examples. And if you want to talk about your hopes, say, I hope I'll, or I hope to.
I hope I'll speak English fluently soon.
And you will. Let's do a quick challenge. I'll describe a situation. You make a future sentence. You just decided to go to the cinema.
I'll go to the cinema tonight.
You plan to meet a friend tomorrow.
I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
You decided last week to start a course.
I'm going to start an English course next week.
Perfect. Let's review what we learned today. Use will for spontaneous decisions and promises. Use going to for planned intentions. Use present continuous for fixed arrangements. Use want to, hope to, plan to, and would like to for goals and dreams.
That's a complete guide to talking about the future.
Exactly. The best way to remember it is to talk about your own plans every day.
All right, everyone, that's the end of today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments 3 sentences. One about something you'll do tonight, one about a plan for next week, and one about a dream for the future.
That's a perfect challenge. And remember, your English future starts with the words you speak today.
Beautifully said, Steve.
Thanks, Maya.
If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend.
See you in the next video. We'll travel back in time and talk about the past.
Bye, everyone.